Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and we're back with another episode of my tested series. Today, friends, we have got the Tonor USB gaming microphone TC-777. So, my friends, let's get cracking. All right, friends, this is the TC-777. Let's see what's in the box. This box is quite small. Inside it, we have got a pop filter. Obviously, an instruction manual, a service card mentioning they'd like to hear from us, a windscreen that we could also put over the microphone, and we've also got the cable, which is attached, microphone, and stand, all already put together. Alrighty, friends, so obviously this just screws on, give you the noise filter. We've also got this one. We can try both. Nice sturdy base, very easy to position. If you've ever fought with one-on-ones with a wide cable, they can be quite stiff. That is really slick, and let's put it to work making a recording. Alrighty, friends, so I just plugged this into the PC, and you can see I am on the website. We are recording with it right now. I've got the audio level set at about half. We'll see how this comes in at what kind of volume. As you can see, friends, this is a USB gaming microphone from Tonor. It's got a stand. It's built in, super easy to get placed on my desktop, and almost instantly we are up recording. Let's check through their images here. They mentioned that it's plug and play. I can verify that. I just did it. One of the big keys is how compact this is. It's going to be interesting to see what kind of audio quality we get. It does have a cardioid pickup. They tell us to be about 20 inches away, which I'm good with that right now. It weighs only 180 grams. It does have a plastic stand. It is super stable. You can see it sitting here, and even as I move around, you're not picking up any noise from it. Lets you rotate 180 degrees on the stand. It was real easy to get it tilted, so it's where I need it for when I record. And, of course, they show it being put to use about the exact same way I've got mine put to use. Alrighty, friends, so I'm going to throw this video in the editor and give it a listen, and then when I come back, I'll give you my final thoughts on the Tonor 777 USB gaming microphone. Alrighty, friends, so after a little bit of a test of the audio, oh my gosh, this is pumping out the same audio quality as my more than $100 rig that I've been using all the time. So my friends, for less than half the price, you have got a sweet microphone that does just what you need, and unbelievably compact and easy to move around. Alright, friends, so I'll make sure I find a link to put down in the description. And friends, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.